Alright, in this video we're going to talk about groupings and how we can deal with them using NZ and what we should be looking for. Alright, so this one here is something a little bit different. We're going for petal, which I just realized that I spelt wrong. Petal, P-T, oops, T-E, petal. We'll get it right eventually. Update graph. So petal width versus height, petal height for different iris flowers. So this is the width of the flower, this is the length of the flower. This time I did go out and head and look up the units. So we've got millimeters for both of them, which means that there's actually no unit for your the slope of this line, because both units cancel out. And now we can see a nice strong relationship. It's got an R value, it's positive. You'll go it quickly. It's a fairly positive, although you might consider it, maybe you could consider it non-linear if it's curving off. Let's consider it linear, positive, and that's a strong relationship, fairly strong relationship. And we'll now look at some groups. So NZ Grapher is built in this nice little thing where you can just actually group it by species, and we're going to color it by species. So we can see our three different varieties. We've got three different varieties of iris flowers, and they got the petal. They got one type here, another type here, and another type here. All right, and so I could now copy that graph across if I'd like to. I want to draw this because I can see this is quite a strong. Like they're definitely grouped together. I might want to now look and draw these three graphs separately. I know what you're thinking, this might take a while, you gotta like copy all the data in and then you copy the next lot in and print that across. But no, this NZ graph makes it easy. We just got variable 3, species, and it does the three graphs for us. You might want to do it separately if you want to actually read what that says. I'm more interested in the slope. And whoa, look what happened to the relationship. It went from a 0.95 for the R value to 0.61, which is like a weak relationship, I think. And these ones are quite weak. This one's, yeah, it's not very strong itself. If we want to look it up, I'd go back to those notes, and I would. Oh, if it loads up, there we go. So it's a moderate relationship for the 0.61, and it was a weak relationship for those ones that were less than 0.5. So yeah, that changes things quite a bit. Anyway, so now that I've made my three groups, I would go ahead and I'd make another prediction. If I predicted for the last one, I probably would have predicted for something around the middle. So if I predicted for 12 millimeters, for example, then if I try to predict for this next one, there's only going to be this graph that's worth predicting for. This one, no, this one, because these two that's all less than 12 millimeters. These ones are all more than 12 millimeters, so it's not so worthwhile to estimate. I'd compare the R values and the gradients and try and give some sort of rationale as to why. Maybe you can look some data up. Anyway, that's me for the time being. Enjoy the video and study hard, etc., etc.